Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you find details about lost snap streaks. How can you refill those snap streaks and how can you manage the issue. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After that, on the top of the page on the left, you have to click on the face icon. And then at the top of the page on the right, you have to click on the settings icon. And then you have to scroll down till support here, and you have to click on I lost my snap streak. And here you can read a lot about the issue. For example, how do I restore my snap streak? You click on the sentence and here you can read it. Or I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. You can click on it and here is everything. Or how do I request a refund for a snap streak restore purchase? You click on it and here is the information. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!